Here's the side yard garden, and I'm going towards the okra back here. You see it's been flowering, and those are the okra flowers, and they open up and bloom, and once they close back up, they fall off and they form these little okras like that. So I'm getting ready to cut and harvest this okra right here. See it? I'm gonna harvest that okra. So let's do that now. I'll get my pruners. Sorry for the angle. Get my pruners, and we're going to harvest the okra. I don't want it to fall, so 1 second, guys.